Good morning.
Maayong buntag,
And marhay na daw mga kahiraya. I am Sandro Luisa Seda.
And I am Cyril Serrano.
At kami ang makakasama ninyo as we give you a glimpse of the life of an accountancy student
From the premier state in the Bicol region, our very own
Bicol University.
Narito po tayo ngayon sa Bicol University Daraga Campus kung saan matatagpuan ang College of Business, Economics, and Management.
Alam nyo ba, si BEM is the home of none other than the BS Accountancy program of the Bicol University. A college that produces nothing but the best dahil basta magaling
sa si BEM nanggagaling. Isa ang Bachelor of Science in Accountancy sa maraming kurso na ino-offer ng SIBEM. Marami na ang top-notchers at board passers na galing dito.
Kapag na-mention mo naman ang Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, unang sasabihin sa'yo, ay, puro math. Mahirap yan, no?
Pero how do you really describe this course? How is it to be an accountancy student?
And what are the opportunities awaiting a BSA graduate?
Tara at samahan niyo kaming libutin ang campus ng magagaling while getting to know more about the accountancy program of Bicol University.
Bachelor of Science in Accountancy is a 4-year degree program that provides general accounting education. It develops the appropriate technical competence, professional skills, values, ethics, and attitudes necessary to complete their studies and pass the professional certification examination given by the Professional Regulatory Commission Board of Accountancy and other global professional accountancy organizations.
Maybe some of you are wondering, marami nga ba talaga ang opportunities na naghihintay sa isang BSA graduate? Sa isang perma ba may pera agad?
The BSA program provides multiple opportunities for every BSA graduate, including becoming a certified public accountant, a certified management accountant, and a forensic accountant.
They can also be a business analyst, chief financial officer, auditor, and many more.
Ang dami talaga misconceptions about sa course natin, no? Sabi, pag CPA ka raw, isang pirma lang, may pera ka na agad. Tapos, kailangan ba talagang magaling ka sa math kapag pumasok ka sa BSA?
Maybe it is true for some, but for most BSA students, it is not. Hindi math wizards ang BSA students. In fact, you don't even have to be good in math dahil calculator is life. Ang importante ay meron kang critical thinking, analytical thinking, and reading comprehension skills.
Sabi ng iba, wala raw enjoyment at social life sa pagiging BSA student. Ikaw, Cyril, kung tatanungin mo ang bawat BSA student dito sa student, are they enjoying the BSA life?
I think yes. Nagsasaya din naman ng mga BSA students. Stress reliever nila ang pagsali sa iba't ibang events. Meron tayong sports, at concerts.
Masaya naman nga talaga ang BSA life. Kailangan lang talaga magkaroon ng balance, not just in debit and credit, but in life itself. May mga ups and downs, pero hindi ito magiging hadlang para makamit ang inaasam na 3 letra.
It's not easy. We go through a lot of ups and downs. And on most occasions, the downs are all we know.
The sleepless nights, the endless recitations, the multiple tests and quizzes, they're all hard, but you'll see that you are never alone. The last-minute study sessions at the canteen, the hugs and comforting words we give each other after every exam, the memories we've made. This is the life of a BSA student in Bicol University.
That was a ride. Pero I think ito na ang cue para magpaalam sa kanila, partner.
Tapos na pala, time really does fly kapag nag-e-enjoy ka.
And we also hope na nag-enjoy rin kayo in our journey of getting to know and understanding what it is to be a BSA student in Bicol University. Again, this is Sandro Luisa Seda
And Cyril Serrano, wishing our Hiraya the fulfillment ng lahat ng inyong mga sana.
And you bet, Bicol University might just be the perfect place for it.
Thank you for being with us, mga kahiraya.
See you around!